Does snoring cause weight gain? Find out today on the Breathing Wellness blog. Welcome to the Breathing Wellness vlog, a weekly video response to some of your questions about breathing, sleeping, and living a pain-free life. This week's question is, does snoring cause weight gain? Many experts believe the answer is a clear yes, and we see patients with snoring problems and sleep apnea who have experienced significant weight gain. But why would snoring and weight gain be connected? I found this article on WeightWatchers.com. Listen to what Raj Dasgupta, MD, a fellow of the American Academy of Sleep Medicine and assistant professor of clinical medicine, had to say about this. He said, your body utilizes a lot of glucose and energy and also dreams during REM sleep. A 150-pound person who's sleeping appropriately could burn around 50 to 60 calories at night, mainly in REM sleep. But if we're having sleep-disordered breathing, it can make it hard for us to stay in REM sleep. That means fewer calories burned. So, now you know snoring causes weight gain, but the reverse is also true. Solving your snoring problems can help you lose weight. Click on the link below to schedule a free sleep evaluation with our sleep specialists, and let us help you with your snoring, sleep apnea, and weight loss. I hope you found this video useful. We'll see you next time.